Hello everyone and welcome back to Frankie's Fire. This past weekend I attended the ChilliFest in Willunga, South Australia. It's one of 2 yearly festivals here that celebrates everything chili peppers. Here are some highlights. ChilliFest 2022 was a big success, and here I've got 3 items that I'm going to taste test. I've also got a Miller Chill to cleanse the palate in between tastings. So first up we have White's Valley Jalapenos Sweet Jalapeno Drizzle, and as you can probably tell I've ordered them from mildest to hottest. So let's crack this one open. There we go. And Norma, shout out to Norma from White's Valley, she does a fantastic job. So let's put some on here. It is sweet, so I am going to be generous. There we go. Sweet jalapeno drizzle. The first thing I taste is mustard. Mustard, then the sweetness, and then you get that little bit of a jalapeno ting. This would be great as a salad dressing. Okay, let's just cleanse the palate a bit. Now let's move on to Brutus Wham Bam Chili Jam. This is a chili jam, and I'd probably just have this on toast, but you could put this in stir fries. Now this is got cayenne peppers, so I'm going to have probably half a teaspoon, a good serve. Let's have. Very sweet for my palate. It's not really hot, but it is sweet. Ingredients are cayenne chilies, capsicum, tomato, sugar, apple cider vinegar, ginger and garlic. It was quite nice, but again, not real spicy. Very sweet, but not spicy. Okay, this one, I'm saving the best for last. This is Jesus, I hope I've pronounced that correctly, Fire Ant hot sauce. Now, this here says that it's, let's have a look. Each bottle is made with approximately 53 green ants, harvested in the Northern Territory by the Motlop family of the Larrakia people. I hope I pronounced that correctly too. So it's a fermented hot sauce with reapers, Trinidad's and actual green ants. Well, that just sounds bizarre. Let's grab my spoon and let's just have a taste. Oh, it's very runny. Green ants, wow. Okay. Fire ant, cheers. Classic umami fermented taste. Really, it's actually not, for me, it's not that spicy. I mean, I've made fermented hot sauces that have probably been 2, 3, 4 times as hot as this. This does say it has reapers and Trinidad's, but I'm getting a constant low burn. Like it's not like the one chip challenge where my head almost blew off, and I'll leave a link to that video. But for me, it's warm, and I might just cleanse the palate off. I actually thought that one was going to be hotter than it was. And there you go. So this was my tasting video. If you want to see more tasting videos from me, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm Frankie for Frankie's Fire, and I'll see you same chilli time, same chilli channel.